Hello, everyone. This is Steve from True Market Finance, and I just want to go over the markets today, or go over, I guess, Bitcoin. Bitcoin down today got that ETF that we were all expecting to happen. Um, and we're already getting the negative input out on it as well already because of the futures market that came out a few years ago, and where you know the first few days it went up and then it dropped back down. The difference between an ETF and the futures market is the ETF guys like BlackRock and so on and so forth actually have to physically back up the ETF with Bitcoin itself. Um, they got to hold that, so they can't just make up paper money of nothing kind of thing. They have to actually back it up with physical things, which will increase the value of the dollar. Plus, we also, again, guys, have the halving going on this year in the market as well, um, or in the market in the Bitcoin itself too. So that's another thing that's going to increase the value of Bitcoin as well. So, which if we're huddlers like most of us, like myself, and a whole lot of people out there, the price doesn't matter to me. Um, all these little pullbacks and stuff like that along the way, I'm feeding into Bitcoin all the time, and just saving it. I'll use my shitty fiat money, and I'll use it with like things like ShakePay or CoinMile, which I've put out in here many of times, guys. Um, that just keep building up Sats all the way along, and uh, it's community. I can't speak tonight. Apparently, community building up anyway, over and over. Just keep building it and compounding it, and it creates its own dividend and everything else. But the price is kind of going up. Because if we get up to the price where we're predicting in the future, stuff like that, these little dollars that we get from little sats and stuff from buying everyday purchases like groceries and like restaurants and everything else, from using like myself a ShakePay Visa card or a CoinMile gift card or something like that. Those little dollar, $2, and it adds up. As we put our bills through there and so on and so forth of everyday bills. And when it gets up to 100, 200, 300, $500,000, coin, those little dollars are that going to grow with it. And that doesn't even come with the compounding of interest on top of it as well. Eh? And so it just keeps growing, building. You can borrow against it with that put out as well. A company like Lend here, which is just uses a Bitcoin backed. It's just a Bitcoin backed loan, so it actually physically doesn't even use your. It just uses it as collateral. So when you pay back the loan, you get um, your Bitcoin back. So it's a loan that, as the price goes up in value, Bitcoin itself pays that loan back for itself. So it's just another angle, guys, that we want to work on and to make it diversify our income, so that what I try to do and teach in here, that we can continually just keep making every single dollar that we make in our everyday lives work for itself. Little pieces here, whether it be Bitcoin or, if we got to buy groceries, get money back. We buy real estate, which, we can rent out, which is, people can pay our mortgages for us, or like lend, borrow against ourselves to pay, ourselves the interest in the end, instead of a big bank. So I always preach about creating our own bank in that sense. So we want, there's so many ways. And then in Bitcoin, the blockchain itself is growing just massively. So that's another positive thing. So the more gets built on top of it, and the more people are using it, which is getting more and more and more, guys. Um, I don't know about you, but I'm seeing it all the time where people will take, Bitcoin as a payment. CoinMile itself, like if you go into that app, um, which you can see on our Facebook page or in past videos and stuff like that, like sign up for it because there's like everything. You can get a gift card for anything in there. Go shopping online in there, and you get sats back. It's money that yeah. It's, don't pass these little things up, guys. Go ahead and read the book, The Wealthy Barber. Amazing book. Teaches all about compounding interest. Warren Buffett teaches about he makes more money off of just dividends alone than anything. Then like I'm going to teach in here, guys. When the market pulls back, we can do little uh, things like um, sell options against it or positions, or we can buy a put to take the little bit back if you want to like do that. In that way, when we're doing a swing trade, which we'll do on like a stock or something like that, you can swing and trade in Bitcoin as well. Yes, if see it's always above the 18-day moving average. If you want to just leave it like that, just leave it above, or just above the 50-day is above the 200-day. You could swing trade that way too, and just ride this for since what 2023 October. It's taken off all the way up here. A nice swing trade, but all the way back in here, I've been putting in here, not spending it. So I just keep adding it to it in savings. So anyway, guys, uh, if you could like and share this video with all your friends, get into Bitcoin. Um, I've put into the YouTube channel ShakePay, put in their Lend, I put in their CoinMile. Click on those links, and I'll put the links in as well in the description below. And sign up for those things. There's another great thing called platform that's come out now. It's called the Orange Pill. It's great too, guys. If you want to meet up with other Bitcoiners that are passionate about it, all you can do is go in there and it tracks your location, and you can, hey, let's go out for, send them a message, and go, hey, do you want to meet up for coffee or whatever? And it's at literally anywhere in the world. So depending if you're traveling or do whatever, and you just want to hang out with somebody that speaks your language and is passionate about Bitcoin, you can do that by just going into that app and just pulling some people up. And there's also little meetups in there as well where you can get together um, every once in a while, so you can see those as well when they come up and stuff, and then go to whatever restaurant it is or a bar or whatever it may be. They meet up and stuff. So it's the whole world, guys. It's just one part of our financial freedom here, um, which we're all looking for. So with that, guys, like, share, and I hope you like this video. And we'll talk next time. But congrats to the guys that got the CTF going. And now could bring in a whole lot of different companies like hedge funds and things like that that aren't legally allowed to buy Bitcoin. Now can bring it in and put it into these portfolios for like pension funds and all kinds of stuff, which is it's just it's being proven over and over again that Bitcoin is a future ahead of us. So anyway, guys, I will leave it at that. Thank you for watching the video. Again, like and share, and you will and subscribe as well, so that when I bring out the next video, you guys can get it right away. Anyway, have a great night, guys, and we'll talk later.